Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Sweetpad project. We'll be covering some of its utility, artwork, and community behind the project, so stay till the end of the video to get all the juicy details. Just a quick reminder though that this video is not financial advice. This video is just for education and information purposes only. Now let's hop into it. Now here is the Sweetpad website, and just a quick reminder that all the websites covered in this video will be available in the link down in the description below, so make sure to go check them out over there. Now Sweetpad is a fundraising and trading platform on the Binance Smart Chain, of course. It's a platform for investing in the best project of the market in spheres like GameFi, DeFi, Metaverse, and others. All projects are carefully checked before launching on Sweetpad. You will be able to invest in different projects and receive profits safely. Then you have some options over here above for applying for the IDO. You can buy their Sweets token or connect your wallet right away. And as well as they have an airdrop option over here you guys can check out. And we'll be talking about it a little later. So scrolling down, you can see we can learn about tokenomics, roadmap calculator, and the airdrop. They have some cool partners partnering up with some huge companies in the crypto space, CoinMarketCap, ICO Marks, ICO Holder, NFT Evening. So some great stuff over here, some good collaborations and networking in the crypto and Web3 space as a whole. And here they show off your big opportunity for maybe right where you are now. So as you can see, they have 3 different rounds. So the seed round, the private round, and the IDO round. Private round is the main one we want to be focusing on very soon. So it does end on June 19th, 2022. So we still have some time for this one. The token amount is 15 million SWT token, and the price is just 25 cents. Now, if we click on the buy sweet button right here, this will allow us to connect one of our wallets that we'd like. So for example, if you want to connect MetaMask, you just click on MetaMask, and then this will take you through the MetaMask pop-up. The installation will be fairly simple for MetaMask, and once you have the add-on right here, you just log into your account and then you have your wallet connected. So the process is very simple to buy one of these sweet tokens, or however many one you want. For the private round, it is at a discounted price of 25 cents only, and it is ending very soon for June 19th. So their next IDO round will be on June 20th, but the price will be a lot more expensive, double the price. Actually, it'll be 50 cents. So you definitely want to get in on the private round. This is the way to go right now. You don't have much time left, so you must have to act quick. So as for staking goes, they have a little calculator over here for their SWT token right here. So calculate your XSWT depending on the amount of stake tokens and your lock time. So say I want to lock in 10,000 days you locked it in for, 365, say for a whole year, and then this will lock until this date 1 year from now, and then this will actually be the remaining amount right here times the SWT. So here is the different tiers as well. So this is tier 4, 10,000 SWT guaranteed allocation. This is tier 5, 50,000 SWT, and then Neo is the tier 6 right here, so 100,000 SWT, as you can see, as well as their NFT staking option right here, which will be releasing very soon. But these are the different tiers for the NFT staking: Choco, Frodo, or Hugo, and you can select the different tiers right as it is over here. So 5 lottery tickets, 12 lottery tickets, or 30 lottery tickets. So great options overall when it comes to staking. Great visualization for what you can see after you put in your staking numbers and see what you can get on your ROI afterwards. As for their roadmap, we see a few cool things coming up, as you can see. So Q1, they're just finishing up their private sale, like I just mentioned, on June 19th. So you definitely going to want to get in on that. For Q2, they're going to be doing a couple different cool things. So they're going to be doing their coin airdrop, the public sale, the platform launch, staking launch, partnerships, NFT release, NFT marketplace, listing on different exchange, CoinGecko listing, the influencer marketing push, and then their 100,000 community goal. For Q3 of 2022, they're going to be doing an exchanger launch, pools opening, 150,000 community goal, 5,000 holder goal, and as well as their NFT game. Then wrapping up 2022 for Q4, they're going to be doing a sweet game, the Sweet Metaverse, a 200,000 community goal, and then 10,000 holders goal. So definitely a lot planned and a lot in store for this project. They're definitely planning ahead, getting a good ground and a good vision of what they're coming up for the future. So definitely exciting stuff, and hope they follow through and we see some awesome stuff coming out for this project. Here's a little bit about how the tokenomics will work. The fixed supply is 100 million right here, and it is the total supply as well. So 25% will be reserve, 18% will be liquidity, 19% goes back to the team. The private sale will get 15%, advisors 4%, marketing 9%, seed stage 4%, public sales will be 5%, and then 1% back to charity. So awesome stuff overall. Good thing they got their tokenomics planned out for where they're going to be allocating each token. Another thing, as you might have seen on the beginning when I just opened up the website, I showed you guys this apply for IDO at the top navigation bar. So if we click on this, here is a little form that we can actually fill out and take a look at to apply for their IDO and get involved in their IDO to really be part of their whole project and the allocation when it comes to their IDO, which is coming out soon, and just something you want to get involved in if you are part of this project and think this is a cool project here for the long run. Definitely stay up to date with them and apply for that IDO. Now here is their Twitter page, the Sweetpad official Twitter page with 20,000 followers. Great stuff. You guys can give them a follow, have those notifications on, and keep up to date with their stuff over here. The Sweetpad, your sweetest launchpad to unite people in the world of crypto projects and NFTs. Currently, like we saw before, their pre-sale is live right now, and you only have until June 19th, so you definitely going to want to act fast. And just scrolling down, here is some great updates and different information, announcements they keep their community up to date with. And over here is their designer actually tweeted, "Good morning, drinking coffee and creating the next big NFTs." So that just hints out to you guys that they are coming out with NFTs. You're definitely going to want to not miss out on their NFTs because already they have the characters, their whole Sweetpad, cute little dragon characters, which look awesome. And I'm sure a lot of people will be involved and love their NFTs coming out very soon. So that is definitely also in the works. You're definitely not going to want to miss out on these guys. Like this artwork itself, really cool stuff. I'm a fan of it. The colors there, the little dragon characters, what's not to love about them, right? So definitely great stuff. As you can see, some 3D rendering in the works as well. So definitely hinting out to the NFT that are coming out very, very soon. So things like that are what you can expect to see on their Twitter page. So definitely make sure to give them a follow, have those notifications on, and stay up to date with this community. And last but not least, just a quick mention over here that they were featured on the Binance Smart Chain news article over here, the Sweetpad Fundraising and Trading Platform on Binance Smart Chain. Just a little bit about the project. If you are interested, make sure to just check this out on the Binance Smart Chain news website. Just gives you a little more details, a little more in-depth information about this project, what you can expect, the private sale, everything about it. What does Sweetpad bring to the table? The launchpad, their double authentication to prevent rug pulls, the anti-sniping bots, tokenomics information right here, a little breakdown of it, their whole ecosystem, and a lot more over here. So definitely make sure to go check out this article. Very informative, very helpful for new members of this community, and definitely something you're not going to want to miss out on. So that is pretty much it for the Sweetpad project review video. Make sure to check their websites, and all the links will actually be available in the link down in the description below. So go check them out over there. This is a great project with a lot in store for you guys. Don't forget that private sale is ending on June 19th. So act quick before the time runs out and get in on their private sale. And that does it for the video. Make sure to leave us a like, leave a comment down below as well if you had any questions about this project. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can keep on helping you out in your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.